Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the tool safe, unplug it or remove the battery so it cannot spin. Next, pick the correct tip and matching collet because a loose fit causes wobble and heat. With one hand, press the spindle lock. With the other, use the supplied wrench to turn the nut counterclockwise until the collet backs out. Once done, pull the old accessory straight out. Do not twist, so you avoid scoring the shaft or dropping debris into the housing. Now insert the new bit all the way into the collet so it seats firmly. Leaving too much exposed shank invites breakage. Hand thread the collet nut until it seats, then hold the spindle lock and tighten with the wrench until snug, firm but not crushing. Once secured, plug in or reattach the battery and run the Dremel at low speed for a few seconds. This spin test checks for runout. If you feel vibration, stop and reseat the bit. Finish by fastening everything and putting on safety gear, glasses and hearing protection. Then gradually increase speed to the working RPM. Make sure the accessory is appropriate for the material and that you apply light, steady pressure. Forcing the tool shortens bit life. If you notice vibration or excessive heat, shut off immediately. Troubleshooting tip. Persistent wobble usually means a bad collet or wrong size, so swap to a fresh collet or correct size before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.